Good morning, everyone. I welcome you to the class of stress. It's the second part. In this part, I want to give you 3, 4, 5th rule. Third one, fourth one, and fifth rule. Third rule is some disyllabic words, with a silent R. What is that? Some disyllabic words with a silent R express on first syllable. Some disyllabic words with a silent R. When the R is silent in the word, disyllabic word express on first syllable. The example is artist. It's not artist, it's a artist. R silent. How many syllables are there? R-T. Artist. R-T. It's a artist. What is the artist? Please meet an artist. Artist. Here artist. Next one. It's a disyllabic word. Doctor. R silent. It's not a doctor. It's a doctor. Doctor. Visit. Doctor. Visit. Doctor. Doctor. Here da. First letter or first syllable is a stressed syllable. Doctor. Doctor. Is it clear? Doctor. The rule is what? Some disyllabic words with a silent R. R is silent. It's a disyllabic word. Doctor. Doctor. And here father. R silent. It's father. Father. Okay, we are calling father. It's a wrong. Father. Father. Next, same article. Here article. T-I-C-I-L. A-R-T-I-C-I-L. It's a article. R silent. So disyllabic word T-I and R. Article. Next one. It's a actor. What is that? Actor. R silent at the ending. Actor. Here 1, 2. So disyllabic. Here 1, 2. Disyllabic. R silent. Last one leader. Leader. R silent. Leader. Disyllabic. Leader. R silent. Leader. What is that? Leader. Article, actor, leader. L. Is it clear, ma? It's a disyllabic word and R silent. Artist. It's a disyllabic word and R silent. So that first letter or first syllable. It's a disyllabic word. Stress on first syllable because R silent. Father. Fa. In fa I is there, in da I is there. Okay, doctor, in da I is there, and doctor, ta in ta I is there. This is the third rule. Some disyllabic words with a silent R. Express on which first syllable. And the fourth rule is some disyllabic verbs. What is that? Some, not all. Some disyllabic verbs. Take stress on which syllable? Second syllable. Which syllable, ma? Second syllable. Some disyllabic verbs take stress on second syllable. Disyllabic verbs. The first one here, prefer. It is the verb. How many syllables are there? Here one, there one. Here we have to divide the word into syllables in this way. Prefer. So the pronunciation of prefer is prefer. So what is the rule? Some disyllabic verbs take stress on which syllable? Second syllable. What is the second syllable? This is the second syllable. Write vertical bar on where? F. Prefer. Next one. It is also verb. Confuse. C-O-N, and F-U-S-E. It is the It one, there one, and there one. Two. It's a verb. Confuse. I confused him. I confused him. Here confuse. 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 Here F. Disyllabic word. Next one. Secure. 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 Also disyllabic word. Secure. 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 So here silent. Here stress. C. Second syllable. Okay ma? Some disyllabic words take stress on second syllable. Here begin. 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 Okay. Begin. 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 So listen. There are two syllables, and the second syllable is prominent one. Second syllable is pronounced louder than the first syllable. So second syllable is a stressed syllable. Begin. 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 Next one. Involve. 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 Here, this is the stressed one. Okay. Involve. In one syllable is there. Involve. One syllable is there. Involve. So second one here. Last one. Reject. 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 I want to reject your proposal. I want to reject your proposal. Reject. 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 Here reject. Second syllable. Is it clear now? The fourth rule is some disyllabic verbs. Some disyllabic verbs express on which syllable? Second syllable. Some disyllabic verbs which express on a second syllable. Is it clear now? The pronunciation of begin is begin. This is involve. This is reject. And that one prefer. This one confuse. And this one secure. Okay, this is the fourth rule. And the fifth rule is words ending with the suffixes. Words ending with the suffixes. I think you know the suffix and prefix. Prefix means some letters are added to the beginning of the word is called prefix. Front. Suffix means some letters are added to the end of the word, that is called suffix. That is called suffix. Suffix means the letters ending to the end of the word, that is called suffix. Here the words ending with the suffixes like ION, IAL, IC, IOUS, AD, ION. So how many suffixes are there? 5 suffixes. ION, IAL, IC, IOUS, AD, ION. AD, ION. ION, IAL, IC, IOUS, AD, ION. Take stress on penultimate syllable. Take stress on which syllable? Penultimate syllable. Penultimate syllable means second syllable from the end. What is the penultimate syllable? Second syllable from the end, not from the starting, from the end. Second syllable from the end. Second syllable from the end is called penultimate syllable. All these suffixes take stress on second syllable from the end. From the end. The first suffix is what is ION. Words ending with ION. Not matter of suffix, what syllables, any syllable. So take stress on which syllable? Second syllable from the end. Confusion. Confusion. How many syllables are there? Trisyllabic word. It is a trisyllabic word. There are 3 syllables are there. Confusion. Confusion. What is the rule? A word ending with ION take stress on which syllable? Second syllable from the end. From the end, second syllable one. This is the one, and this is the second one. What is that? F. It's a confusion. There confuse. Here confusion. 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 F again highlighted one. Next this one. Objection. This word is objection. Here J sharp. It is also a trisyllabic word. What is the second syllable from the end? This is the one and this is the two. So second syllable from the end is J. objection, 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 object. J is highlighted one. J is a highlighted one. Objection. Here introduction. How many syllables are there? Introduction. 4 syllables are there. Introduction. Introduction. So you should know how to divide one word into syllables. Then only you can apply the rules in finding the stress. Okay, just knowing the rules it's not enough. You should know how to divide a word into syllables. Then you should know what is the rules. Is it clear? Introduction. A, tro, da, sha. 4 syllables. What is the second syllable from the end? 1, 2. Here E, tro. Here D. D is the stressed syllable. Introduction. 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 Intro. Introduction. Introduction. Okay. The next one. Decision. 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 Okay, this is ION. Any word ending with the ION takes on second syllable from the end, like confusion, objection, introduction, and decision. Next, any word ends with IAL. IAL takes on second syllable from the end. IAL and with IAL. Social. Social. How many syllables are there? So, sa. Only disyllabic. So, second syllable from the end means this one and this one. So, yes. This one, financial. It's not financial. We are pronouncing wrong. It's not financial. It's a financial. What is that? IAL. It's called SA. Financial. It's a. How many syllables are there? 1, 2, 3. It's a trisyllabic word. Financial. 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 What is the second syllable from the end? Here is the one. Here is the one. There is the one. And then it's a financial. Financial. Financial is a financial minister. Financial minister. Next one, confidential. It's not confidential matter. It's a confidential. What is it? Confidential. 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 1, 2. Confidential. 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 Okay. It's a social. It's a financial. This is a confidential. Confidential. Is it clear? And next one, IC. A word ending with IC. Text person second, logic. It's also only 2. Logic. 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 Academic. Academic. How many syllables are there? 4 syllables. Academic. Academic. Here, second syllable from the end, D. Its pronunciation is what is that? Academic. 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 Is it clear? Academic. Academic. D is highlighted one. Next one. Romantic. Romantic. Trisyllabic word. Second syllable from the end. What is that? Young. Romantic. 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 Is a romantic fellow. Is a what is that? Romantic fellow. Here, M is a highlighted one. M is the highlighted one. And words ending with IOS. Words ending with IOS. Only IOS. Takes some second syllable from the end. So DELICIOUS. It's not delicious. It's a delicious. We are pronouncing wrong. Delicious. It's a wrong. The exact pronunciation of this word is delicious. Delicious. How many syllables are there? Delisa. Delisa. Delicious. Sus. In sus there is only one. Delicious. So second syllable from the end, what is the L? Delicious. Delicious. delicious, delicious, delicious. Next one, it's ambitious. We are pronouncing ambitious. It's a wrong, ambitious. What is that? Ambitious. Ambitious. Second syllable B. Ambitious. And next one is conscious. It's not conscious. We are pronouncing wrong. It's not conscious. It's a conscious. Conscious. Second one C. Conscious. Conscious is in a conscious. Conscious. It's not conscious or it's not ambitious. It's not delicious. It's a delicious, ambitious, and last one is conscious. Last one is conscious. The last suffix ATION. ATION. A word ending with the ATION express on second syllable from the end, like civilization. How many vowels are? How many syllables are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 syllables are there. Second syllable from the end. What is that? Jet. Its pronunciation is civilization. Civilization. What is that? Civilization. Okay. J is highlighted on civilization. Civilization. Next one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Education. Education. So the pronunciation is education. So K is highlighted on. Second syllable from the end. TION. ATION. Education. 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 Next one. Variation. Variation. Okay. Varia. There is a diphthong. Okay. Variation. 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 Next one, communication. Communication. Again same. Communication. A word ending with ATION express on which syllable? Second syllable from the end, like communication. Communication. Variation. Education. Civilization. Is it clear? I am referring last one. The words ending with the suffixes like ION, IAL, IC, IOS, ATION express on second syllable from the end. So confusion, social, logic, delicious, civilization. Okay, I hope you could understand these rules. Thank you very much. We will meet in next session. That is the ending session. Thank you very much.